This is the safety fence machine from Dingyuan Machinery. This model is for 1.2 meter width. Also, this one for safety fence machine. This model is bigger for the 2 meter width. Plastic safety fence machine. This is our double-side stretch machine for the stretch mesh. This is for the plant climbing net. The mesh from extruder first stretch in lengthways, then stretch in the transverse ways. The transverse ways stretch and lengthways stretch. Mesh from extruder. This is a packing net machine for the soft packing net. On the testing, this time is for the very small flower mesh used to protect the flower.